are you? We have so good soy sauce with the ribs and lemon. See? We're cooking ribs, baby back ribs. Very beautiful ribs. And right now we're gonna do this right here, so good. Barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce. Wow. We're not even super barbecue fans, but we love barbecue sometimes when it's so good sauce. This sauce is amazing. Oh, let's put on this one. Two baby back rack. Looking so nice. Over here. And now I'm gonna do ramen. Ramen. See, ramen fresh. Ramen. Like that, and then we're gonna add more of so good soy sauce. These seeds, lemon seeds, not big problem, but I like to get them off sometimes if I have the chance to. Here I have the chance to, why not? So let's do one more time, so good soy sauce, barbecue sauce. Wow, this is very good barbecue sauce. Very good. Very good. Amazing. Want all of it on it, cooking there. Like this, and we're gonna close this lid. Well, actually, what we can do now, instead of close, I'm gonna show you one little trick to have delicious ribs. Olives. We're gonna put olives on. Boom. Boom. Very cool stuff. I'm just showing you, everybody has their own taste. But this is good recipe. Good recipe. You can innovate, recreate, add your own stuff. But you have to be creative. When you're cooking, just be creative. When you add good ingredients, you can't go wrong. Believe me. You can't go wrong with good ingredients. Thank you so much. God bless you. And thank you very much for watching. See? It's beautiful. Oh, yeah. Very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Very nice. See, very nice look. We'll show you from a few different angles. And we always slow cook. Always slow cooking. Grilling on George Foreman grill. Very nice. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. You tired, baby? You sleepy? Come on, baby. I want to take a picture.